Good morning and welcome to the session where we learn success on this book, Money, Sex, Power. Today is day 29, so we learn from chapter 29, verse 2. When the righteous people increase, the people rejoice, but the wicked person is a ruler, the people sigh. In another translation, it says that when the righteous are in authority, people rejoice. When the wicked person is a ruler, people groan. Now, it is very true in countries, in any organization. I tell you, the whole country rises and falls on the leadership. Organizations rises or falls on the leadership. That's why leaders are very important. Now, here, the wise man says extremely clear, only a righteous man should be an authority. A wicked man should never be an authority. It is not said in the general voice of the people. It is said by the wisest man who lived on this earth. Today, we elect leaders based on our community, our language, our petty, biases. But we should elect leaders who are righteous. Today, many people, they put votes because the leader belongs to their community. The leader is talking good to them. Sometimes the leader is, giving them some benefits. But here, the wise man is saying, the righteous people should rule. The wicked should never rule. If the wicked rule, people will groan. Ultimately, majority of the people will groan when wicked people rule. When righteous people rule, people are going to rejoice. Why? Because if you read verse 7, it says, the righteous considers the cause of the poor. The righteous knows the rights of the poor. The wicked have no such knowledge. Wicked doesn't have a knowledge about the poor people. They don't take care of the poor people. They don't care for the poor people. The poor people can come and, ask the government to do some things for them. But the government will not even care for them because they have no such knowledge. Wicked people have no knowledge. What a tragedy. What a tragedy of a nation which can be ruled by wicked people. Those people will groan. We should never allow our country to groan, because if wicked people rule our country people will groan. Look at North Korea, a beautiful example. Wicked man is a ruler. He controls everything. You cannot talk against him. In North Korea, you cannot do anything against the leader. If you do anything against the leader, they will kill you. You cease to exist. Very shocking, but it is true. It is true. There is no freedom for the media. There is no freedom for the press. There is no freedom for anyone. That is how wicked people wants to rule. That you don't question them. They cannot tolerate anyone who question them or ask questions. Why? They are wicked people. They have no such knowledge. But it says, the righteous are in authority. The people rejoice. The wicked people in authority, people groan. My friends, we have to vote responsibly. Today, we have a right to vote. All the country, our country should vote right. They should vote correct. Vote for the righteous people. Then the righteous will rule and the whole country will rejoice. What a beautiful thing. Thank you for joining us. Hope you enjoyed today. We will meet tomorrow, same time, same place. God bless you.